It's seen as waste, a forgotten byproduct of the harvest. But what if we told you? The future of plastic is hiding in your fruit bowl. Through advanced green chemistry, we're turning nature's debris into high-performance material. Sustainable, durable. The circular revolution starts here. Welcome to Mass Production Marvels, where we explore the fascinating industrial transformation of simple organic waste into sustainable plastic packaging solutions today. Our journey begins by collecting thousands of tons of discarded banana peels from agricultural farms to serve as our primary material. The raw material undergoes a rigorous cleaning process using high-pressure water jets to ensure every single impurity is completely removed. Powerful industrial shredders grind the organic matter into a fine, consistent paste, preparing it for the complex chemical refinement stage ahead. Inside the high-tech reactor, the paste is mixed with natural catalysts to start the critical biopolymerization process for our sustainable material. Skilled engineers carefully monitor every molecular change on digital dashboards to ensure the biological structure achieves the perfect degree of strength. The refined biopolymer emerges as a golden liquid, signaling the successful conversion of organic waste into a versatile and stable substance. Advanced drying tunnels extract moisture from the polymer, leaving behind a pure granular powder ready for the next phase of production. We blend the powder with natural strengthening agents to ensure the final product meets the highest standards of durability and performance. The material is pushed through a high-capacity industrial extruder, forming a continuous thin film that will eventually become our eco-friendly bags. Rapid cooling fans stabilize the film, locking in the molecular structure while ensuring the surface remains smooth and uniform for printing. Precision laser cutters trim the edges of the film, ensuring perfect width dimensions for the final manufacturing stages of our bags. The finished film is wound onto massive industrial rolls, representing the culmination of the initial transformation from simple organic waste material. Automated transport systems move these rolls to the pelletizing station, where the material is prepared for its final transformation into pellets. The film is chopped into thousands of tiny uniform pellets, creating a versatile raw material that is easy to store and transport. Sophisticated infrared scanners verify the purity of every pellet, guaranteeing that no contaminants will compromise the quality of our future products. The high-quality pellets are then sealed in bulk containers, waiting for the final manufacturing stage that turns them into usable bags. We melt the pellets once more to prepare them for the final molding process, ensuring consistency in every single plastic bag. The blowing machine creates a continuous tube of bioplastic, showcasing the versatility of our sustainable material in a high-speed factory setting. Precision heated blades seal and cut the tube into individual bags, demonstrating the efficiency of modern machinery in large-scale production. The finished bags pile up on the conveyor, ready for rigorous quality checks before they are packaged for delivery to customers. Our team performs manual stress tests on the bags, confirming they can withstand significant weight without tearing or losing their shape. Each bag is branded with our eco-friendly logo using natural vegetable-based inks, highlighting our commitment to a greener planet for all. Robots carefully stack the finished products into recycled cardboard boxes, ensuring they are ready for global distribution to our retail partners. Every box is labeled and verified before moving into the warehouse, completing the journey from agricultural waste to finished retail goods. Witnessing this seamless industrial flow reminds us that innovation can turn even simple discarded peels into valuable products for our future. The contrast between raw organic waste and these durable bags showcases the power of science in creating a truly sustainable industry. Our operators use advanced digital interfaces to control the entire line, ensuring maximum efficiency and minimal waste in every production cycle. Environmental safety is our priority, which is why our filtration systems ensure that the manufacturing process remains clean and carbon neutral. The collaboration between human expertise and robotic precision is the backbone of our success in creating these innovative bioplastic products today. Even the lighting in our facility reflects our goal of sustainability, using natural energy to power the creation of our products. These pellets are the building blocks of a cleaner future, representing a shift away from fossil fuels toward renewable organic resources. Speed and reliability are essential when we deliver these sustainable solutions, helping businesses reduce their environmental impact with every single purchase. Our inventory management system ensures that every batch is tracked,
I love how
verified,
sturdy these
and
new
ready for
biobags
retail
are.
partners
They
who
hold so
prioritize
much.
high-quality sustainability. This facility is a beacon of hope for
You can
sustainable
trust Green Threads
manufacturing,
for
proving that we
high-quality,
can produce
eco-friendly
high-quality
products
items
that look
without
great.
harming nature. The quality of our bioplastic film
Here,
is
under the morning
indistinguishable from
sun,
traditional
our
plastic,
bananas are
offering the
carefully
same
harvested by
convenience
hand,
while being fully
just as they have
compostable
been for
and safe.
generations.
Every detail of our packaging process is optimized for efficiency, allowing us to maintain high output without sacrificing our environmental standards. Seeing our bags in action at local supermarkets confirms that our mission to provide sustainable alternatives is making a real difference. Consumers are increasingly choosing our products because they know that every bag supports a circular economy and protects our precious environment. It all starts with the farmers who provide the raw material, creating a partnership that benefits both agriculture and modern industry. Maintaining our machinery is a full-time job, ensuring that every part of the line functions perfectly to deliver consistent results. Precision engineering allows our robots to handle materials with extreme care, reducing human error and increasing the speed of our production. Our logistics network is designed to be as efficient as possible, ensuring that our products reach customers with minimal carbon footprint. Everything we do is focused on circularity, from the raw materials we source to the packaging we use for our finished goods. Our laboratory scientists work tirelessly to test the degradation rates of our materials, proving they break down naturally without leaving residue. The data speaks for itself, showing how our bioplastic significantly reduces environmental harm compared to traditional petroleum-based plastic alternatives today. Watching the pellets melt is like witnessing a magic trick where waste is reborn into something useful for our modern lives. Our team is the heart of this operation, working hard to ensure that every process remains safe, efficient, and environmentally friendly. The elasticity of our material is a result of years of research, creating a product that is both strong and incredibly flexible. We produce millions of bags annually, proving that sustainable manufacturing can meet the high demands of the global retail market today. This massive machinery is controlled by smart software, ensuring that every movement is optimized for speed and the highest quality output. The precision of our extrusion process is vital, as it determines the thickness and durability of every single bag we create. The rhythmic spinning of these rolls is the
Showcasing the
heartbeat
clear
of our
and professional
factory,
printing
representing the
quality of our
constant
sustainable
flow of
product line,
innovation and
available
sustainable
now.
production. Quality control is integrated into every step, ensuring that our customers always receive the very best sustainable products on the market. This fine powder is the secret behind our success, carefully formulated to provide the strength we need for our durable bags. A clean factory is a productive one, and we take great pride in keeping our facilities organized and safe for everyone. Once the boxes are ready, they are palletized for easy transport, ensuring they arrive at their destination in perfect condition today. Our branding reflects our commitment to transparency, helping consumers identify our eco-friendly products among the many choices on the shelves today. Our warehouse serves as the final link in our supply chain, holding the stock that will soon be in customers' hands. While our process is automated, the human eye remains essential for final quality checks, ensuring only the best products are shipped. High-tech lasers allow us to achieve perfect cuts, reducing material waste and improving the overall efficiency of our manufacturing process today. We organize our inventory to ensure a smooth flow of materials, which helps us meet the high demands of our partners. The heat and energy used in our process are carefully managed to keep our carbon footprint as low as possible always. Real-time data monitoring allows us to make adjustments on the fly, maintaining the highest level of quality throughout our entire run. Our factory is designed to be sustainable,
Sunlight creating
utilizing
long shadows in the
energy-efficient
warehouse,
systems to
highlighting
minimize
the
our
scale of our
impact
operation
while we
and the
produce
quiet
these
power
essential
of our
retail
manufacturing
bags.
facility.
Seeing our bags holding fresh produce reminds us of the connection between the waste we recycle and the food we eat. Certifications are important to us, as they confirm our dedication to meeting the highest environmental and ethical standards in the industry. Our robots handle the heavy
Our
lifting,
commitment to
allowing our team
sustainability
to
means
focus
using
on the more
only
complex
eco-friendly
tasks that
soy-based
require
inks
human
for a
creativity
beautifully
today.
clear print
Each batch
every
of pellets
time.
is carefully crafted to ensure the perfect balance of strength, flexibility, and environmental friendliness for our customers. The scale of our production is truly impressive, yet we remain focused on the small details that make our product unique. This machine is the heart of our production, working consistently to turn raw organic matter into the sheets we need daily. Manual inspections complement our automated systems, ensuring that even the smallest defects are caught before the product leaves our factory doors. Our brand stands for
A
quality
macro
and
shot of our clear
sustainability,
bioplastic
and we are
pellets,
proud to display it
demonstrating
on
the purity
every
and
single
quality
bag
of the
we
material
manufacture
used
today.
in our manufacturing
Once the truck
process.
is loaded, our work here is done, and the products begin their journey to retailers around the world. As the sun sets on our factory, we look back at another day of sustainable production that helps protect our environment. We started with simple waste, and through innovation, we have created something that contributes to a much cleaner, healthier future world. Our technology continues to evolve, allowing us to find new ways to improve our efficiency and reduce our overall environmental impact. Purity is key when it comes to bioplastics.
We've
and we
done it.
ensure that our
A
pellets are the
bioplastic that is
highest
completely
quality available
transparent,
for production.
flexible, yet
Every
remarkably
bag we
durable.
make is a
This
testament
is the
to our
future of
mission,
sustainable
proving that
packaging.
we can make a difference through thoughtful, sustainable production. Our machinery is built to last, reflecting our commitment to long-term
fundamental
sustainability in both
building
our
blocks
products
of our
and our
sustainable
industrial
products
operational
today.
practices. The final label marks the end of our production process and the beginning of a new journey for our sustainable goods. Our factory is more than just a production site. It is a hub of innovation that is shaping the future of manufacturing. We are proud of the quality we have achieved, and we believe that our products will continue to lead the sustainable market. Automation is the key to our
Confirmation
success,
on the shipment
allowing
to
us to
Sector Gamma.
maintain high quality
Copy
while
that.
keeping our
Moving
production
now.
costs competitive for our partners. These pellets are the foundation of our work,
Emphasizing
and we
its
carefully monitor their
durability
production
and
to ensure the
eco-friendly
highest
nature,
quality
which is
every
at the
time.
core of
The
our
precision
brand's
of our
mission
bag blowing
today.
machine allows us to create products that meet the exact specifications of our retail partners. Professional branding is essential for our success, as it tells our story and communicates our values to consumers around the world. Our warehouse is a testament to our success, and it is a privilege to see our products ready for their final destination. We are committed to providing the best possible products, and we are constantly working to improve our technology and our processes. Precision
This is our
at the
bag
heart
blowing
of
machine,
everything we
showcasing
do,
the
from the raw
unique
materials we
technology that
source
allows
to the
us to
final
form this
packaging of our
incredibly
products.
thin, durable
Our packaging
plastic
process
film.
is designed to be fast and efficient, allowing us to keep up with the high demands of our market. Consistency is our goal, and we achieve it by carefully monitoring every stage of our production, from the pellets to bags. The technology we use is unique, and it allows us to create high-quality products that are both sustainable and very durable. Excellence is what we strive for in everything we do, and we are proud to share our work with the entire world. The morning light reveals a busy day of production, and we are ready to continue our mission of sustainable manufacturing today. Our products are designed to be
highlighting
useful
their
and
role
sustainable,
as the
and we
building
are
blocks
thrilled
of
to
our
see them being
sustainable
used by
and
people everywhere.
high-quality product
Maintenance
line
is a
today.
vital part of our production, ensuring that our machines are always ready to produce the highest quality goods. These pellets represent the future of plastic production, and we are proud to be at the forefront of this
Crafted
amazing
with precision.
revolution. The transformation
Designed to
from raw
stand
material
out.
to a finished product is what we
This
do best,
is the
and we are
mark of
always
true
looking for
quality.
improvements. Our brand is a promise of quality and sustainability, and we are dedicated to keeping that promise to all our customers. We are growing every day, and
As
we
you
are
can
excited
see,
about the future
quality
of our
is
sustainable
unmatched.
products in the global retail market.
This is the
Every
result
bag
of our
we make is a
innovative
step
and
toward a
sustainable
better
approach.
future, and we are honored to be
Precision
part of this
manufacturing
change.
at its
Precision
finest,
is essential to our
ensuring
success,
every
and we
product
rely
is
on
crafted
advanced
to the
technology
highest
to ensure
quality
our products
standards.
are always the very best. Our automated processes allow us to produce high-quality goods at speed, making us a leader in the sustainable manufacturing industry. Thank you for watching Mass Production Marvels and supporting our journey toward a greener planet with sustainable and innovative manufacturing solutions.